The generator of the cyclic group of nth root of unity is, it is given nth roots of unity. So in equation form we can write group as all those x belongs to G such that it is the root of the equation this. So roots of this equation we know nth roots of unity. So this set forms group with respect to multiplication. Now for every for every natural number n, we have a group or cyclic group, specific cyclic of order n. For example, x cube equals to 1, roots of this equation is cube roots of unity known as cube roots of unity, and this form cube roots of unity forms multiplicative group or multiplicative cyclic group. As I am saying cyclic group, so always cyclic group can be generated by some element. It may be 1, 2 or more than 1. So generator is that element. Every element of group can be written as power of that element. Suppose x belongs to G. It is any x. So x can be written as a raised to the power some number. So any element of x can be written as generator power. A is generator, and order of generator equals to order of the group. When nth roots of unity in this given problem can be represented by a raised to the power 2 pi iota upon n, option A is right one.